Okay, your directions for lesson 33 problem set. Remember to put your name on it. And then here's your example. The directions say cross off when needed to subtract. So they gave you the picture. They have 8, nice 5 groups, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, crossed off 1, and I can see I have 5, 6, 7 left. So number 1 says 6 minus 1. So remember, cross off and write your answer. 6 minus 0, do you need to cross anything off? And then write your answer. And then it says, if you want, make a 5-group drawing for each problem like the ones above. Show the subtraction. So your pictures should be neat 5 groups. For 7 minus 1, I should see 5, 6, 7. And then minus 1. Okay? So make sure you do your pictures neatly with 5 groups. If you don't need a picture, then you don't have to show the picture because it says if you want. If it says to do it, you must do it. Numbers 11, 12, and 13, it says cross off when needed to subtract. They just have the 5 group going up and down now instead. So 5, 6. So you're going to do the subtraction here, the pictures here for each. Numbers 14, 15, and 16, you're just subtracting. You're subtracting either 1 or 0. And then number 17, fill in the missing number. Visualize your 5 groups to help you. The word visualize means picture it in your mind. If you need the picture though, always go ahead and draw it. Make sure you check your answers and turn it into the bin. Sign up for a small group mini lesson if you need more help.